everybody, it's post-Christmas and I thought I'd show you what I do with my Christmas cards. We don't get as many now as we used to, but I sort them out and make them into new cards, new labels. So it's just a matter of trimming them. Get them looking about equal. And that's not wobbling the camera too much. I don't know what's going on here, but my camera keeps turning off. Scheduled for an update, but I've switched that off so we get at least one of these all the way through. Right, got a little dark blue on, so we'll use that one. Yes, so if you buy jumpers and think anything that's got these little ribbons in, just hang on to them. So there you are, there's 3, which I hope you got to see me making. Another thing I like to do is altered books, where you buy an old book, tear out a lot of the pages, and then just stick things in. So it's just a matter of decorating things. This is a straightforward decoration with a little bit of space to write on. More space. Pictures just to make you feel happy. More areas to write on. And then here I started to do little notelets and pockets. This was the very first one I did, so there was a lot of trial and error. It's all just cheapo books that you buy from charity shops with nice pictures in, quite often children's books. Downloaded some labels. Master your craft. Children's books work particularly well, and these labels you can download for a small fee. I think that's it. Yeah. And then I just decorated the outside as well. Cheap and cheerful craft to learn. Bye for now.